Good morning, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 8:43 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, January 2nd, 2022. Happy New Year's. Okay, this is not financial advice, educational. Click the subscribe, share the video, click the thumbs up. We're here to talk about Origin Protocol. Okay, not a lot of newsworthiness over this weekend. Obviously, a lot going on with New Year's, and everyone kind of distracted from that, but make no mistake about it. Origin US dollar has been slightly consolidating up here. So currently sitting around 63 cents. Kind of hard to figure out where this thing's necessarily going, but I think we're going to wind up heading up. Now, a couple of things. I'm going to just move this line out of the way, and let's just make room for a new one. Now, the possibility here is pretty good that we could be on a diamond reversal here, and I'm going to just draw it out here so that everyone remembers what these diamonds look like. Typically, you fall into the diamond. You kind of go up, and then you kind of go down, and then you kind of go sideways, and then you should exit out on the other side where this thing would typically go up. So the point here being that this looks like, as it went into this diamond, it looks like it could be reversing and coming back out to the 76 line right over here, where it started to make its descent into the diamond. A lot of times these things will come back out. Now, normally they would come back out and up to the point at which it fell into the diamond. Now, one could argue could be over here or it could be up here. I would take it for up here. I think this thing's way too low right now, and I think people will start realizing it soon enough. But I'm going to keep this diamond pattern here for our next discussion on Origin Protocol. But in the meantime, we are at 63 cents. For now. Now, let's go take a look over here. A couple of things. This was drawn. We didn't quite hit that head and shoulders, which is good, so we can kind of disqualify that. Now, we definitely look like we have a new longer-term trend line here that is certainly kicking into high gear. So we do have a support on Origin Bitcoin at 1310 and a resistance area around 1492. We're at 1339 and still consolidating between this channel here between 1268 and 1490. Now let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been kind of cycling through, just kind of volatile between 48 and change down to 45 and change, but certainly pretty much cycling over this 46.6 line here. So we're at 47 and change. A lot of sleepy folks out there in my view. I think tomorrow starts off a new business day for 2022, so we should see how the markets respond to that, and you can probably get a little more inference in tonight's futures activity on the equity markets to see what tomorrow looks like in terms of its open, as well as where we think cryptos might land. I mean, if we get a bullish signal tonight on the equities futures market, I think we'll see a lot of bullishness going on for Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin dominance is still going sideways. We mentioned sideways to up, and it's exactly the direction we expect it to be until we get a proper bid into Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin's at 47 right now. I think we're going to start to cycle back up tomorrow. OGN is at 63.30. Look out for this diamond pattern. I'll keep you posted on Twitter. Take care.